Thank you for that. I needed that.
Ready?
Look at her.
Target.
Ooh.
Mom's on vacation.
Hey guys, it's Emma Chamberlain. I am at Target and I'm about to meet with a Target specialist, okay? I know Target pretty well, but who I'm about to meet with knows Target so well. She's gonna teach me all of the tips and tricks. And I'm so excited. We're gonna all learn together. I'm here with Angela.
Hi!
Hi!
I'm Angela Kinsey.
I'm so excited. Hi.
I'm so happy to
How
meet
are
you.
Let's do this.
Let's do some Target.
Okay, like you are gonna teach me everything I need to know.
Oh, I am. Buckle in.
Okay,
Wait,
buckle
are you
in. Let's do this.
Are you basket or cart?
I'm a card.
Good, because if you said basket, I was gonna judge you.
Okay, like, and I don't blame you, because like, how are we supposed to
How do
say
you
all
get
the
it all
goodies?
in a basket?
You can't.
Why
It's
am I
not
yelling?
possible. Because it's Target.
This is Target.
We love Target.
All right, let's get it.
I literally, we can't even walk. No,
We've
we
made
can't
it
walk
2
any
feet.
further.
We've made 2 feet.
I know.
We haven't even got into Target.
No, but this.
What?
No, I used to wear a jacket that was fuzzy like this every single day.
Okay.
And like, I wore it so much that it was so dirty.
Are you having a moment?
I'm having a moment. This is like its replacement. Admit that you want that.
I kind of want it.
I know.
I kind of want it. But wait, I want it in turquoise. Turquoise is kind of my thing. Oh, and they have extra small.
Stop. It's
Stop
perfect.
it.
This is meant to be.
Hey!
How do we look?
I think we look pretty great.
Wait, no, you look, that color does you justice.
Let's hug so we can feel like what it's like to hug a blanket.
Oh my God.
Like a blanket hug.
That was the cutest thing that's happened to me all year. Let's
All
keep
right.
going. Wait, I'm having a hard time walking past the clothes because
I am too.
wouldn't
Pause.
care.
Anytime lip balm is in like a thing that
So
is not,
cute.
it looks like,
Wait,
what
I
is
kind
it?
of
Is it
want
a
one.
piece of cake or cupcake or ice cream? No, it's lip balm.
Like, I feel like I might be too old for this, but like, I don't.
No, you're not.
You're never too old
You're
for
never
a lip
too
balm.
old for a lip balm.
This needed to happen.
Oh,
Wait, oh my God, and my favorite
What?
eye makeup remover. This is great, wow. No, I'm serious. This is what I do when I'm here.
what is amazing to me is like getting something and being like,
This is my YouTube acting app. Like, this is what YouTubers do. See? Try it, put your hand behind it.
what?
Oh my God, she's a YouTuber now.
I don't understand.
I don't either. It's like a weird YouTube.
Okay.
Everyone's like this. Like, so first I got this, you know?
Oh, no, I don't know.
Okay, your daughter would.
Teach me the
no.
ways.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, that's another thing. That's a social media thing. Yeah.
Right? Like, and how do you feel about it?
I'm for it. I know we love these, but I'm getting a little hot.
No, I'm getting hot too.
a little hot.
I need to change. Sorry, we're back.
Okay.
My
I do
furniture.
need some cleaning stuff. So
Okay, this is your thing.
I'm all about getting a savings.
See, I'm
I
like,
don't know
I'm
why
so
I
proud.
snapped. That
Why
was me.
not?
That was me trying to be cool.
It's
I'm all
working.
about getting a savings.
A savings. So I'm discombobulated because I'm so excited. I like a lot of different snacks, but I like little healthy, like cracker, chip snacks. You know what I mean?
I love cheese and crackers.
Okay, wait,
and
I love that
crackers.
too.
I like donuts.
Wait,
So,
same.
Yeah,
Duh.
I love donuts so much.
Wait, there's a lot of people actually don't like donuts, which is like weird to me because I feel like how could
When
you
did that-
not?
What are you talking about?
No, a lot of people hate on them. They're like, they're too like oily. And I'm like, I don't care. That's why I like it.
What?
No, like 3 of my friends don't like donuts.
Okay, well,
Well, I need to make new friends.
I need to talk to them because.
Is this a peanut butter aisle? What are the
Wait a second. Oh, wipe out.
wipe out. This is bumper car mode.
We're going backwards.
Okay, I'm not.
Whoops.
No, literally these cars.
I don't have great depth perception.
No,
I
no,
Googled
thank you.
I Googled you.
Are you
and
kidding
you
me?
are like doing it.
Oh,
You're doing it.
You've like been my like. You and Dwight were my internet parents for like
We
for
were.
like all of sophomore year when I was watching The Office for the first time, and I was like, that's all I've ever. I'm obsessed. Anyway, don't get me started.
Dwangela?
Yes, I ship
Aw.
it.
You ship. That's a word I Googled on Urban
Yes,
Dictionary.
you ship.
Ship it means you like it.
You like it.
You like
It's so
it.
trendy to ship
Yeah.
couples together. I ship you and your hubby.
Thank you.
I've never met him, but like I think I ship it.
I ship you and your mom.
Thank you. So I love buying different nut butters. I don't like. That's my favorite hobby.
I'm here. I could hear you.
She's here.
You know what?
She's here.
This is what happens at Target. I got distracted.
This peanut butter is really good.
Okay.
Like, just keep it in mind.
Okay, I'll try it.
Okay. Wait, where are you from?
Born in Louisiana,
Okay.
and then when I was 2, we moved to Jakarta, Indonesia. So I speak Indonesian. Isn't that random?
Say something.
Ang saya berbicara dengan Emma right now. I said, oh my gosh, right now I'm talking with Emma. Oh.
No way. Wait, that is so.
keep
I am not
everything.
bilingual. I can only speak one. I can speak English.
Yeah?
Seasonal
Aw,
ones.
Look at this, so cute. I can't reach it. I did
Wait,
it.
that is so cute.
So cute. That's more absorby.
Absorby.
You know what I mean?
Oh no, I know exactly what you mean.
Am I making you think of your mom? And
Yeah.
Going to Target with your mom.
Oh my god. I miss my mom. No, I don't. Actually, yes, I do. But like, it's fine. Like, I'll see you soon, Mom.
Mom, she's coming. I'm gonna come with her. And
Yes.
then you and I are gonna hang out.
Yes.
Okay, I have some rapid fire questions for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Beach or mountains?
Beach.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee, but I like matcha recently.
Oh, dog or cats?
Okay, right now, a cat.
Oh, now we're in one of my favorite sections of Target, which is like anything for the home.
Same.
It's so hard for me. Like, I'm coming to Target for cleaning stuff and like my dog food and cat food, and then I end up getting a duvet.
No, I was about to
Why
say
am I
that.
buying a duvet?
No, literally, I never
I know.
like. Wait,
I
am
love
like a dish
all
towel.
of this, like coral, these sheets. My husband literally said to me, here are 2 things you can't buy when you go to Target today. You can't buy any baskets.
Okay.
He said my nickname could be Baskets.
Wait. My mom, you are my mom. My
I'm
mom
your
loves
mom?
baskets.
What's
Yes.
up? What's up with moms and baskets?
Baskets. Wait, they like love it because it's like, oh, this one's for blankets.
Yes.
My moms don't talk like that. This one's for blankets. And then like, this one's for,
Now I want to do an impression of moms. Like,
this one's for blankets, and this one is for
But-
all of the toys, the dog toys. Anyways,
by the
that's how
way-
my mom talks.
what is even happening here? What is this guy?
That's
I love
precious.
it. What?
No.
He's like a little dude and he holds his plate.
No,
Wait a
please get that.
It's so stinking cute. Who else
Why
do
am I
I
gonna
got?
start crying?
Wait,
Okay.
Cade will love this because he loves,
Totally.
like, that's a snowman guy, like abominable snowman.
Wait, that's really cute.
Okay, doing that. It's baskets!
Yes! This is
Look
the best.
at all of them.
Okay. Oh my God.
So many baskets. This is beautiful. Look at that basket.
Wait, that's so, you need,
Oh, and it's so sturdy.
you need that.
Isn't that so cute?
You need it. That is so cute.
That's so cute. Maybe I put my magazines in it.
Yes!
I'm getting all excited.
I love
right
that.
now I'm
And
gonna put
see-
my little, oh look, I put my little animals in it. Oh, these are so cute. I can't wait to get those
Okay,
home.
wait. No, I'm obsessed with these white rugs and I put them in front of my mirrors. Does that, like my floor mirrors? Does that make sense? So I can sit on them and do my makeup.
I just need you to say mirror one time.
Mirror.
Mirror?
Mirror.
Mirror. Mirror? How do you say wreath?
Oh, wreaths.
Wreath.
That is a hard one. Wreath.
Wreath.
Like Christmas wreath.
My husband says I always say like, oh, look at that pretty wreath.
wreath.
Oh, all right.
Like I don't even
Your-
need fans, but like that looks so technological
Doesn't that
I
look
want
so
it.
cool?
Yeah.
I know, because I always worry about like anyone putting their fingers in stuff, but
Totally.
this is like, there's
Safe.
nothing there.
Good for the kids. I don't have kids, but when I do, I will get safe fans.
How does that work?
Wait, whoa. No way.
Okay,
Okay.
what is that? Look at that!
Wait, I am so, wait. Oh, no way.
Kiss your cold feet goodbye.
Okay, like this is a good stocking stuffer too. Keep that in mind.
I know.
At Target, I
I
just
would
say,
totally wear
I
these.
see
I'm
it,
always cold.
I
I'm
buy
always
it.
cold.
I like it.
I went to my Target 3 days ago.
Okay.
And I saw online this pumpkin pillow, and I went to my Target and they did not
So-
have it. I have to get it.
Oh, wait, this
I
one?
have to get it.
You have to
I
get
have
it.
to get it because, babe, look, they have it at this Target.
Yeah, babe, look.
I have a little Target fantasy, like a Target dream.
Okay.
This is really dorky.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm so ready.
I was like a child of the 70s, so I roller skated all the time. I would get in trouble for having my roller skates on at the dinner table.
Wait, you want to roller skate in here, don't you?
I want to look at that.
Stop.
So this over here is art class. Come see. It's
Oh my
so
God,
cute.
stop.
Look at it. My daughter loves this.
This
see,
is
do they
so
have?
cute.
That is so cute. How cute is that? I know. It's so cute.
This is
Medium.
so
I need
cute.
that is really cute.
That's really cute.
So cute.
Wait, that's so cute.
Isn't that so cute? That's so cute. Isn't that so
I
cute?
want this. This is like literally so cute.
That would be so cute on you.
Eat pizza, ride a unicorn, take a nap, spread happiness, repeat.
Come on.
The motto. I live by
Motto.
this.
But I have a really hard time taking a compliment. So
Oh, same.
So when you were like, you're doing it, I was like, no, I'm not. I'm not doing it. Like, what in my
I'm the same way.
It's hard. I don't know why. And I have
Me
a
too.
really good friend of mine was telling me the other day, he was like, your hair looks nice. And I said, oh, I didn't wash it. And he was like, just say thank you.
Right? I am literally learning how to do that every day, but I feel like one day we're gonna get it.
We're gonna get it.
And you know what? You guys beat us to it. Accept compliments. Take them.
Take them.
This is my- yeah.
Yeah, you probably worked really hard for that.
Totally.
And it's okay to be proud of it.
Okay, are we checking out?
We're checking out. You
Okay,
want to
you
do
go
self-check?
first. Yeah, I like self-checkout.
Okay.
I think it's fun.
I love self-checkout.
I think it's like weirdly fun.
I love
and-
it. Oh wait, here, I'm gonna go to this one.
Okay, I'll go to this
You
one.
can pull in behind me.
Oh my God, this is gonna be,
All right. Oh, they have bags too. Good, good. Thank you for coming to Target with me.
thank you. I swear, like, I feel like a new woman.
What?
I learned so much today.
We learned a lot. We shared a lot.
We did everything.
We did everything.
We did it all.
We did life. We did Target. All right. Give me a little squeeze.
Oh.
Give me a squeeze. Target buddies.
Target, oh my God, we're Target buddies now.
Let's cruise out.
Yes. Wait,